So welcome to the first web programming project from our web programming sessions, and this is my site. So the concept of my site is like this. This page, which is the index PHP, is a public page. Like every user in the web can access to this page. And when a user is signed up or signed in, he or she can go to the home page, and the home page is secured for only users. So that means a user from a web can't go inside to the home page without signing up or signing in. So the index page is like this, and I have used a header for like this with two buttons, and two carousels are displayed here. I have another carousel hidden as well. I'll show it how it works. So this page is responsive to all designs and devices like this. You can go and see it in the inspect. You can give any device vector here and check how it's done. And I'll name this carousel as carousel 1, and another carousel 2 is coming up, and now it's hidden in this device size. I'll keep reducing the width, and still it's my carousel 1. Keep reducing it, and you will see the carousel 1 I have showed earlier disappears, and carousel 2 comes in. I have used Bootstrap.js to get this picture slide running, and it's like this. Now the design is like this. For the different styles of fonts, I have used font face to add the font styles and given style sheet codes to get this. So in here it's like this, and let's move on to the code. So my index PHP code is like this, and here's my carousels, and this is the carousel 2 which I have hidden in larger devices and showed in smaller devices using media queries. The table I have used to get that data correct, placed, and this is the carousel I have already hidden in smaller devices. For every page in this site, I have used sessions concept, which means a user already logged in can't go back to the index page or to the sign in page or to the sign up page again when he or she is logged in. So that means a person who's logged in can't go back, and he or she can only stay in the home page until he or she is logged out. So this is the session I have given, and let's go to the style sheet. I have used various style concepts to get the design nice, and this is the media queries I have used to get my site responsive to every device size. Using media queries means you won't need to scroll vertically, using media queries means you won't need to scroll horizontally in a site when you see it in a small screen, or you won't need to zoom out the page to see the complete design. I have used a chase code to go to the sign up and sign in pages, which is function D and function C, and I'll show it like this. This is my function C and function D. And for the font, I'll show it like this. I have given this font face in a CSS and uploaded it, and already given the font names to the style sheet and connected it with this various paragraph and headings. Let's move on to the sign up page. So here you can see this is responsive as well, and I'll show it like this. it's responsive to every small device in the market right now. In the browser, the smallest device they give is the iPhone 5. So here you can see the smallest device is still like this. The design is intact. So let's move on to the codings and see how the validations are going on. It's like this. I have given a database connection to this country field to get my country list from the database. And this is my sign up coding. And every time I wish to click this, the site alerts me that I haven't agreed to the term and privacy conditions. So if I tick this alert won't be coming. So let's go without this tick first and see if the alert comes. And if I want to proceed, I will get an alert saying my name field is empty. So I have to input my name. Here you can see this as well. I have given validations to every single field I want as required. So address is not required and that is optional. And country is required. And I have given a chase function like this. If I type something in email neglecting country, a chase function works and gives out a select country please line. So I can choose to select a country, and here I type my email. And again the username field is empty, so it's like this. Giving my password. Here you can see when my password is typing, a line comes here and I have given it this from a chase function. And if my password style is not the requirement I want, the password is required to have at least the number uppercase and lowercase alert comes out, and I need to correct it. In here, I have given a chase function to check whether my password is matching to the confirmed password, and you can see it like this. When the password match, a line comes like passwords match. And again, this alert comes out as I haven't ticked the agree button. So I'm ticking it and sign up. Yes, you can see it like this. So let's see the sign up codes. These are the validation functions I have given, like the password validation for the passwords match line and password doesn't match line. And this is the required at least a number line when a key is pressed down in the password field. And the checkbox validations. And here you can see I have used AJAX to get my details to the server. So the AJAX is run like this. I have posted it to the sign up process, and in the sign up process all validations are run out like this, and you can see I have given validations for every single step I need to validate, like the password length and password pattern. And I have given the username as the session, where you can see it in the home page like this. So let's move on to the home page as well. In the home page I have printed the session name like this, and a logout button is created like this. The home page is not designed yet, so it's like this. And unclick G is the remove PHP, like my logout codings. I have destroyed the session here to sign out the user from the page. Like this. If I try to go back to the sign up page, I can't go. Here you can see Here you can see if I want to go to the sign up page, I'll type sign up. I can't go because the session keeps blocking me from going to the sign up page as I'm still logged in. So I'll sign out, and here I comes to the index page again, and I'm going to the sign in. And yes, so this page is responsive as well, and I have used some CSS media queries for some functions like this. When the device screen is keep getting smaller and smaller, a picture is hidden, and the design is like this. And here I have validated this field as well. I have used form to get this login page details to the server, so I can use the form validations as well, like required field to get a requirement like this. You can see this is a form required validation field, like please fill out this field. So with this, I have given the course like this, and let's move on to the login server connection, and I have given it like this, and use the same username as the session, and I have added some fields like this, which is, and let's start my username. Here you can see the previous function is working still here. This line comes when I type something. I'm purposely giving a wrong password to check whether my database connection is correct or not. And here you can see invalid username or password, and I will be redirected to the login page again. So let's type a correct one. If I type a wrong pattern, this site alerts me to match the requested format. So I'm typing the requested format. And now let's see. Yes, I'm signing, and this is the home page, and like previous, I can't go back to the previous page as I will be redirected to the home page because of the session. So I can choose to sign up, or I can choose to stay in the home page and do my work. Currently the design is not available, so it's not displayed. So when I click to sign up, I'm going to the index page, and I can choose to go anywhere I want, as the session is destroyed and no one is logged in yet. So this is the end of the assignment video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.